Hey, what's up everyone? Bit me some back with another Hbar video. So currently right now I'm on the Hbar 15-minute time frame. I have a few different time frames we're gonna go through and look at. I just want to say a big shout out to everybody that's been watching and liking and subscribing and also commenting. I appreciate all of you guys. You guys are the best. I believe we were at like 107 or 108 subscribers or something, and I was like, let's try to hit 110, and we ended up hitting 112. So I appreciate that. You guys are the best. This is the big crew is only getting bigger and it's only getting better. We got a lot of stuff in store for the future, and man, it's gonna be some good stuff. Like I said, I got a lot of things I'm working on just to try to help everybody out with either trading or learning how to technical analysis, all that kind of stuff. So yep, and if you guys noticed my video from earlier, we did 109 views. That's great. That's the man. And also if you guys notice my stats, it says 9,545 total views. We're almost at 10,000 views. That's I couldn't even imagine it. I would have never thought we would get this big, to be honest. But now it's like a snowball effect. It's just rolling down the hill, picking up speed, you know. So I appreciate everybody. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please hit that subscribe button for me. Let's try to hit 115. So like I said, and if you guys want to see a different coin or something like that, leave a comment below and let me know which coin, and whichever gets the most comments I'll do a video on also. So, or if you guys just like Bitcoin and Hbar, like I said, also if you guys are watching, don't forget to watch the Bitcoin videos that I also put. So make sure when you guys go to my channel, when you click videos, I always post either a Bitcoin video first or a Hbar video first, but it's always those two videos every single day for sure. So like I said, all of you guys watching this video on Hbar, don't forget to check out that Bitcoin video. The reason why it's important to keep up with Bitcoin, the reason why I do it, is because Bitcoin is like the major, how would I say, it's the biggest coin, it's the most popular, it's pretty much the king of the jungle pretty much. So the reason why I say that is because the direction Bitcoin goes usually determines the market, you know. So like how the markets are all going down right now, it shows that Bitcoin's going down also. So like I said, you can't really determine what's going to happen with the market with an altcoin and try to figure out what Bitcoin's going to do from an altcoin, but you can figure out what's going to happen with an altcoin by looking into Bitcoin and figuring it out. So like I said, Bitcoin is a big factor in a lot of these cryptos. So like I said, it's always important to keep up with Bitcoin also. You know, there's a lot of coins out there, but like I said, if you know what's happening with Bitcoin, then you know what's happening with the market too. So that's why I say it's important, because like I said, we got 100 people watching this Hbar video, but only 11 people watching the Bitcoin video. And the Bitcoin video might be just as important as these videos also. So that's just all I got to say about that part. But yeah, just appreciate everybody watching and stuff like that. So let's look at a few of these charts. So right now this chart is on a 4-hour time frame. If you notice, this is the falling wedge that we've been looking at for the last few days. We were inside of it perfectly. We came out, and you know, now we're at the bottom of it. So it definitely is trading in this little new area now. So actually what I'll do is I'll put a little rectangle just to kind of let me know. So if you notice, we're actually kind of underneath it a little bit. So as long as we're underneath that, I guess this will be the first one. So we're like, yeah, just like that. That's fine. Yeah, and like I said, we're right at the bottom of it, trying to make our way inside of this box. So if we can't make ourselves inside of that box, then we're gonna definitely keep coming down, because it looks like we're kind of forming a downtrend in a way. So if that line right there is going to determine what's going to happen next, pretty much, because this could kind of come like that. Let me put it up a little bit. So I mean, it kind of, let's see what pattern that is, where the top is coming down. That's actually a descending triangle. If you notice right here at the top left, there's a descending triangle, and it usually comes from the top, and it's a continuation pattern. So, and we broke underneath it. So let's see. This is gonna be possibly a continuation pattern. So since we did get rejected pretty much at that area, the next little target is probably going to be this white line, which is coming in at 1384. Current price right now is 1406. We need to stay above 1384 if we're going to keep trying to move up a little bit. All right, so let me check this. This is on the 1 hour now. I just switched it to the 1 hour. I just want to find a few levels. The 1 hour is, it's okay to look at the 1 hour, but it's just more of a, it's a little fast, you know. So you always, what I like to do is at least the 4 hour, for the reason that it confirms more. So if I see something in the 4 hour, it'll show in the 1 hour. But if I see something in the 1 hour, there's a chance that it doesn't show in the 4 hour, because it just hasn't got there yet, because it's on a smaller time frame. So it's always better to confirm with higher time frames than lower ones, if that makes sense. But yeah, I've been working on, also that's why I've been doing 1 hour and 15 minutes, so that way we could really see like a you know, I might be able to catch a good move or something like that off of a 15-minute. You know, you just got to find a few trends and see which way, see if you see something. So I mean, I guess if you were watching this, I mean, if you were, I'm a few candles late, but the thing is now it's going to come up to that line possibly, and if it doesn't, it's going to get rejected to come down. Let me check the RSI on this 4 hour. So the RSI is actually, if you guys remember, we made a line down there, and if we were working up, we would have kept following that line. But since we broke that line, that let us know we're confirming this, we're not going up. Now it's looking like possible. So that'll be the next resistance area, pretty much where we're at now. So the thing is though, is that, yeah, so if the thing is with this RSI is if we're underneath this 50 line, pretty much, then that lets us know we're nowhere near an uptrend. We're on a massive downtrend right now. So the thing is like they say, you don't want to go long when we have especially down here, you don't want to go long. Or actually you might want to go long once it gets to here, because you know it's going to go up. But the thing is, there's better short opportunities down here than longs. If it was on the opposite at the top, then those would be longs and not shorts. Oh, alright, so yeah, so that's definitely confirming a downtrend. And then this MACD at the bottom, it's crossing, but it could be coming up, so I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So with this line, I'm just going to try to find a few little key targets, or just see where I could get the most bounces at or something like that. So maybe like that. That's not bad. So also, and this is on the 1 hour, by the way. So I'm going to do a trend line like that. Something like that. Make it a little lighter. Let me make it a little bigger too. Maybe I hope you guys can see that. All right, yeah. So look, this is kind of the area I'm talking about that just catches me to tops, something like that maybe. Or like I said, you just want to find what catches the most touches. So that looks pretty good right there. So the thing is we were coming up, and this is on a 1 hour time frame. So us breaking down, we're probably going to get rejected right there to confirm this move back down. So look at that, pretty much. We would have to break above that line. We have to break above that line if we want to start moving up. Current price right now is 1408. So let me give a few more price targets, I guess. Let's see. So one price would be, current price is 1408, and that's pretty much exactly where we need to stay above. So 1408, and then also 1399. Then also 1384 and 1368. That's down. So for us to move up, we need to start pushing above 1412. And then after 1412, it'll be 1418. And after 1418, it'll be 1425. So that's just the few price targets going up and down that, like I said, just current price is 1408. I would put an alert for less than 14. So if it goes under 14, it lets you know we're going down. And then greater than 1412, that way you know we're moving up a little bit if we do that, because that'll create a new higher high, which is that first one, which is 1412. Yeah, let me see this. Okay, so look, I was able to create this chart, and I got some pretty good resistance and different little price targets and stuff like that. If you notice, look at how perfectly this got resistance. So that's kind of letting me know that's a good resistance up there if we were to make it up again. And that's at these areas are like 20, depending where we hit, 19, 20. That's if we go that high. Let me make sure it's the only one I got. And this is on the daily, by the way. So what I'm thinking is that it's following this. Now it's following this. It's following that trend line pretty well now. So the thing is since we does look like we got a lot of wicks right here though, but then that lets us know we got a lot of buyers. So what's probably going to happen is we're going to bounce back up and at least make it up to this 15 possibly. But yeah, so let me check this other one. I think this is the 4 hour. Yeah, this is the 4 hour. Current price is 1407. So yeah, as you guys can see, these are the areas that we definitely need to stay above this square. So the bottom resistance will probably, the lowest will be about 13, and then the highest, if we have to break above, 1470, 1460, something like that. So depending which way we go, but we could still be working our way inside it. We can be consolidating in here still. So but yeah, that's just my quick little update for now. Just I'll have another one in the morning, just see if we can find something else in the morning. But yeah, I appreciate everybody watching. I just want to make this because you guys were loving the video, so I thought I'll make another one. But yeah, so I'll definitely see you guys in a little bit in that next video. Peace.